Right, so 2021 SEAT Arona, the pre-facelift. So I am looking at permanently disabling the stop start because I personally hate it. I always turn it off. I'm sure there's others out there who agree. Some people like it, some people don't. So off eBay, I have bought one of these bypass cables and seeing if it works. So the instructions are absolutely diabolical, so I've got to work it out myself. Let's have a go at taking this out first. So I can't film all of it because I'm only holding my phone, but it does come with a trim tool, and it just looks like I can prise out the leather gaiter here and just try and pull it out like that. So I'm going to continue all around to do that. So yeah, just after pulling it out, unclips. Quite filthy in there. We can lift that totally up and out of the way, and then we can see the switch mechanism here, which we then need to try and pull out somehow. So there is a few, what looks like here, here, and here, and here. There is a few hefty clips, if you can see that. So it does take a little bit of, if you can see, just pulling these clips, you've got to pull the whole thing out. Okay, so a little bit of brute force. So you've got the clips here, as I said before, clips 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just see that just here. Just be careful, it will come out, and it's not out all the way. So now it's like that. You can feel it in further in up over here, but I think we've got enough access there just to lever that up a bit, and you can see the cable coming around the back there. So just to demonstrate before we attempt to fit it, turn on the ignition. Right, close the door. Annoying beeping as well. I might to disable that as well. Right, yeah, so ignition on, and there's your stop start off. Press the stop start, and then that's obviously deactivated now, and that then resets every time you ignition off. Okay, so I have had to just pull it ever so slightly, as you can see. After the two main clips here, there is another clip around the side here and on the other side here, so I've had to just pull that a little bit higher just to get to the cable, and I've now disconnected the cable, which you can see here. So there's the original cable, and it's exactly the same as what's on the eBay cable. You just got to squeeze that little corner bit in the side and pull out, and that's it. So we just now plug the original loom into this, and then that into the bottom of the switch unit there. So that's the original loom into there. It'll only go in one way, and then that's going to go into the switch bit here. Now there seems to be plenty of room now to stuff it all down into the hole there, so we'll just try that. Okay, so that's now, you just see the top of the cable there. That's now pushed all in behind the plastic there. Don't worry about the extra cabling, it's not going to interfere with the gear mechanism there, because there is a plastic wall down here just dividing this little void down there. So that's now connected into the original switch. Just put it back into neutral. And just before we go ahead and put all that back, we can just give it a bit of a test. Simulate getting in the car, unlock. Okay, get in the car. Just to do it properly, open the door, get in the car, yeah. Close the door. So ignition on. So the deactivated light still comes on straight away. On the dash, you've got stop start deactivated, and I can still activate it again on there. Stop start activated, pressing the button, deactivated, activated, deactivated. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on, and it auto deactivates. Okay, so that seems to be working as it should. I'll give a bit of an update a day or two later after running the car. Right, so I've had this connected now for nearly a week. I've not put all the trim back just in case I needed to remove it, just to save possibly breaking any clips. But I've had to press the button a couple of times as it had lost its memory, or the last setting as it's advertised to do. The advert even says that even after 30 seconds or so, it's supposed to like force deactivate the stop start, which it didn't do. I still had to press the button, and then since then it's remembered what I've done. Hence now it's the ignition's off and it's illuminated as deactivated. Would I recommend it? Is it worth it? Well, the fact that I've still had to press the button a couple of times, then not really, no, because it was bought on the basis that I fit the cable and I don't ever have to look at it, touch it, worry about it again. But you're still finding yourself checking that it's deactivated, pressing the button again because it's something I want to do, because I don't like the stop start feature. So really, yeah, I'm probably going to leave it in and see how it goes. I'll put all the trim back, but to be honest with you, I'll probably ask for a refund off the seller, because it's not quite doing what it's advertised to do. Anyway, hope it's been helpful in case you do buy one of these or you see it advertised and you just want a bit more information about it. Yeah, please like and subscribe. Peace out.